Hello everyone. Hello. Am I audible and visible properly? Let me know in the chat. Hi Manvita, how are you? Hi Priya. Hello. Welcome to the live session everyone. I'm your Aditi Ma'am and today we will be going to do the very first chapter, that is your cell of your 9th class, correct? Now, yes ma'am, I have done this chapter before, ma'am. I know this chapter very well. I know that, and that is why I have gotten you so many questions, so that you can revise, you can improve, you can test yourself if you are good or not with this chapter. Because what we do, we keep on doing the ahead chapters, the upcoming chapters, and we forgot the previous chapters, right? So I'm again starting from the first so that we don't forget this particular chapter. Prototype lover. Hello prototype lover. Just I apologize, I have a bad throat, so if the voice is a little less, please increase the voice of your phones, of your laptops. Okay, let's start the live session. Let us start the live session and with the very important chapter, cell. Now beta, in this chapter, in this particular chapter, we will be starting with MCQs, and all of you have to give me the answers, and as you give the answers, your names will be written on this, right? So that we can know which one scored better, which of you score. Okay. Right. Now, first finger, okay, give me a thumbs up so that we can start this live session. Everybody ready? I have so much energy in me. I swear, I just can't show you with my throat, okay? But I am full of energy. You tell me, are we starting this live? Are we filled with josh to start this live? Okay, for the very first live, the first question on your screens, everybody, is this. The limit of resolution of the human eye is approximately, wait, what happened? Yes, that question was wrong, I guess. Okay, who was the first person to observe a cell in 1665? Let me know the answer to that. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, it was Robert Hooke, Matthew Schleiden, or Rudolf Virchow. Who was the first person to observe a cell in 1665? Remember the atomic theory? Cell theory. Remember the cell theory? Let me know the answer in the chat. Who was the first person to observe a cell in 1665? B. Okay, Priya is saying B. Priya is saying B. Okay, prototype is saying what? Prototype is also saying B. Prototype is also saying B. And we have how many more answers? I can't see the comments. What happened? Wait, just give me a minute. Okay, I can see. Okay, Manisha is also saying B. Manisha is also asking a question which says that, ma'am, what is exocytosis? Exocytosis, beta, it's basically there are so many, we know that vacuoles store some things in it, right? So the process of ejecting all the things out of the vacuole inside the body, outside the cell, that is called exocytosis. Okay, so the final answer is B. Okay, now we have a very important detail of this lecture, that is we need to have drum rolls. So you all have to send drum rolls before I finally reveal the correct answer. So go. Come on. Send the drum rolls. Just write drum. There will be an emoji popping up. Just send those emoji. Great. See, why I do all these things? So that it becomes a little bit less hectic. Okay, all the studies. So when you give drum rolls before the answer, it will just be a magical thing. Okay, now all of you send the drum rolls, only then we will Okay, so the final answer on your screen. I'll give you some more chances, no worries. I know you guys are very reluctant. I won't send the drum roll emoji, it's fine. Okay, the final answer on your screen, everybody, is Robert Hooke. So we all know that Robert Hooke was the first person who discovered a cell in 1665, right? Robert Hooke observed small box-like compartments in what? In the thin slice of cork using a self-designed microscope and named them cells. Okay, we do have drum rolls. Very good, very good. Thank you. That is really motivating for me, for my sore throat actually. Okay, so understood this question. Let's move on to the next question, beta, and that is on your screens. Two similar animal cells are placed, cell X in pure water, cell Y in concentrated salt solution. What happens? Both cells swell up, both cells shrink, cell X swells up, cell Y shrinks. Cell X shrinks, cell Y swells up. Sorry. Oh, this came in your PT1 exam. Great, great. We did a marathon and there also I had this question if you would have joined. Hello, Manvita. Okay, Manvita is saying C. Okay, everybody, Manvita is fast. Come on. Manvita is saying that cell X swells up, okay, and cell Y shrinks. C. Prototype lover is also saying proto. I will write, okay. Too long. Priya is also saying C. Okay. Anybody else with any other answer? Anybody else with any other answer than C? Okay, great. Can we have some drum rolls now? Can we have some drum rolls from all of you now for the final answer reveal? This is a good question actually, because you have two containers in which you have pure water. In one you have, let's just write it as H2O. Okay. Yes, so this is H2O, and in here beta you have H2O plus common salt. That is what? NaCl. Okay, so but it is a saturated solution. Saturated solution means what? Saturated solution means you cannot put more salt in that particular solution, right? So which one cell swells up, which one cell can't swell up? Let's see. Okay, we have drum rolls and the final answer. It is C. Very good, everybody. Cell C swells up, cell Y shrinks. Why it happens, beta? Water moves into cell X by osmosis. Into cell X by osmosis, that is hypotonic medium. Okay, but and out of the cell, that is hypertonic medium. The hyper, R from hypertonic means shrink, right? It is means shrink, and hypotonic, O of hypotonic means it swells up. So X will swell up, Y will shrink. This is how we learned it, right? So through the selectively permeable cell membrane. Done? Hi. Let me read your name. Please tell me your name, okay, beta? Okay. Now, any doubt? Yes, hello. Any doubt, or can we move on to the next question? Okay, great. It swells. Yes, X swells up, Y shrinks. Okay. Let's move on to the next question on your screen. Everybody hold up on your screen, and that is, the cell membrane is selectively permeable. It is also called the cell membrane, cell wall, nuclear membrane, plasma membrane, or tonoplast. Okay, Uttami, right? Okay, great. No, ma'am. Okay, Priya, great. If you don't have any doubts, great. Okay. Manisha is saying C. Okay, great. Manvita is also saying C. Let me just write your names down. Okay, I love it. I know it might take some little time, but you have a time to think. Okay, I have time to write. I want to learn your names. We have Shahan loves biology. Oh, all of you are saying C. Tanya, ma'am, I have doubt. Yes, ask Tanya whatever doubt you have. Priya, who loves biology? What was that? Shahan. Okay, I'm writing Shahan. Okay, great. Cell wall, beta. Okay, let's see the answer. Drum rolls. Can we have some drum rolls, guys? Come on, guys. Can we have some drum rolls, guys? Come on, guys. Can we have some drum roll, guys? Tanya is also saying C. Okay. Uttami is saying A. Right, Uttami? Tanu Agarwal is also saying C. Okay, beta. Let's see the final answer. The final answer on your screens. We have drum rolls. And the final answer on your screens, everybody, is... Oh, I skipped the answer. It is actually C, plasma membrane. Very good. The cell membrane, the outer cell membrane, is also called plasma membrane. It allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. It's just like a guard, right? Ma'am, what is osmosis? Osmosis, beta, in cells. Okay, specifically in cells that... Okay, Manvi. Okay, great. Yes, I do remember. Okay, I was explaining osmosis. So, beta, osmosis is transfer of water from higher concentration to lower concentration while it travels through a selectively permeable membrane. Done? That's it. Simple. The movement of water from high concentration to low concentration while passing through a selectively permeable membrane. Done? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Anybody has any doubt? Any doubt in this very, very important chapter? Diffusion is same, beta. Just the difference is in diffusion, it also travels from, it is both diffusion and osmosis are the parts of passive transport. So diffusion also, the substances, solid, liquid, gas, it goes from higher concentration to lower concentration, and it does not have to pass from a selectively permeable membrane. However, osmosis is a special case of diffusion. Water goes from high to low concentration and it has to pass through a selectively permeable membrane. Important practicals of science, of course, sure, noted. Let me just text and let me just text myself. Hello, Asiya. Hello, welcome from Ladakh. I am in Bangalore, literally the whole India. I'm so happy, it makes me so happy. I'm from UT Ladakh. Okay, great. Okay, Tanya, what do you can't understand, Tanya? What do you not understand? Let me know. And until then, we have the next question on your screens, everybody. Which of the following pairs of cell organelles are present in plant cells but are absent in animal cells? Leucoplast and cell wall, mitochondria and ribosome, cell wall and Golgi apparatus, lysosome and ER. Let me know. Thank you so much, ma'am. Understood regarding diffusion. Thank you, Uttami. A. Okay. Mani is saying A. Manvi is also saying A. Mani and Manvi. Oh, that's a good combination we have of you two today. Tanya, osmosis and diffusion, ma'am. It is simple, beta. Just the transfer of, see, in diffusion we have transfer of substances from high to low concentration. In osmosis we have transfer of only water from high to low, that too if it passes a selectively permeable membrane. Oh, okay. Where, acha, okay, you are not asking me. Okay, a lot of people are saying, I'm just going to write a lot of people because these many names I won't be able to write, sorry people. But Uttami, Shahan, Tanya, Tanu, okay, all of you are saying A. Some of you are saying C as well. Tanu is saying C. Okay. Sorry for that. Anybody has any other answer? Okay, let's get some drum rolls. Let's get some drum rolls, and meanwhile all of you guys like the session. Like the session fast. Like this particular session, subscribe to the channel. It's very important. We are coming live every day, okay? Okay, so can we have some drum rolls and some likes on this session? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. D. Oh, Jagdish is saying D. Anybody wants to say B as well? Huh? Okay, let's see. Beta, the answer on your screen after we have drum rolls. The answer on your screen. Dum, 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 dum. It is A, that is leucoplast and cell wall. Beta, leucoplast and cell wall is not present inside the animal cell. See, in here, okay, even if you don't know about leucoplast, cell wall is definitely not there in animal cell. So either this is the answer and either this is the answer. Okay, now Golgi apparatus is there in the animal cell, right? So only answer is A. Okay. Okay, next question on your screen, everybody. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's see. The next beta is on your screen. The fluid mosaic model describes the structure of what? Do you know the answer? The fluid mosaic model describes the structure of cell wall, nucleus, cell membrane, endoplasmic reticulum. If you know the answer, then you have read the NCERT really good. But a prokaryotic cell does not have a nucleus. So that's why we call it a little bit of a simplified structure. Okay. C. Okay, Priya is saying C. Asaya is saying C. Okay, Priya. Let me write the names. Asaya. Who else? Manvi. Oh, Jagdish, Utmi. All of you are saying C. Okay, that's good. Arey Baba. Jagdish. And who else was there? Tanu, Tanya. Oh, I know you want me to write the names, so I'm just writing the names, okay? Okay. Coffee break is here. Is also saying C. Okay, can we get the drum rolls now? Drum rolls, everybody. Drum rolls, everybody. Drum rolls, everybody. It's important, everybody. What can I do? You know, I told in the last live session also that let me just search who's the CEO of YouTube. Neil Mohan is an Indian. Neil Mohan called me few days back and was like, you can't give the answer before drum rolls. It's a pact made by YouTube. What can I do? Okay, great. So the final answer on your screen, everybody, is actually C. Very good, clapping. The cell membrane is made of a lipid bilayer. We studied that. In between we have proteins, and in here we had lipids, and in there we all had lipids, and these are the proteins embedded like tiles in a mosaic. Mosaic, have you known? Mosaic is like a tile structure, small particles, small what do you call it? Stones kind of structure are there, and we call it mosaic tiles, basically from Europe or something. So, and molecules can move within it, so that's why it is called fluid mosaic model. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next question on your screen, everybody. Fastest fingers first. The net movement of water through a selectively permeable membrane is called, oh, it is very easy. Beta, cell membrane is like a guard, okay? So cell membrane will decide, or plasma membrane will decide what will enter inside the cell, what will not, what will go out, what will not, right? But cell wall is a rigid structure. It's a dead. Cell membrane is living. Cell wall is dead. It is rigid, okay? So that's the basic difference. Cell wall is outside of the cell membrane. Okay, B. Plasmolysis. Okay, B is the final answer I am seeing. Final. This is the final answer all of you are telling. Manvi, Shahan, Sravantika. Sravan? Whatever. Okay, he is not even answering. Okay, Tanu, Tanya. Great. Jagdish, Priya. All of you are saying osmosis. Are all of you sitting together? Hai? Shreyash is also saying B. Okay. I can understand Korch Tamil. I know, okay. I have a friend from Tamil in my masters, so I can understand a little bit Tamil. Okay. So the answer on your screen, everybody, drum rolls. Drum rolls, better drum rolls. Drum rolls, better drum rolls, come on. I'm waiting for just drum rolls. Ma'am, my 10th was completed, ma'am. Okay. It's Konju, ma'am. Konjuma? Yeah, I mean, that's what I said. Come on. I can't understand the complete Tamil, but I still know, okay? A little bit of it. I know one sentence. Enna pannindirukkel? Eppadi irukka? I know all these small stuff, okay? Okay, noted. It's Konju, ma'am. Konju? Do we call it Konju? Okay. The answer on your screen, everybody, it is osmosis, obviously. Osmosis is the diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane from a region of higher water concentration to low. That's one thing you have to remember. Okay? Tanya, ma'am, please understand. What should I understand, Tanya? Why do plant cells not burst when placed in hypotonic solution, whereas animal cells do? Yes, it's exactly around the rigidity of the cell wall. So cell wall is very rigid and dead. So it can withstand the pressure. It can withstand the pressure by the water, applied by the water. That's why it doesn't burst. Ayo. Kunjam. What did I say? Kunjam. Okay, somebody told me Kunjam, so it's not my mistake, okay? It's Konjam, ma'am. Okay. I'll note it down. You know, I have a whole separate chat section on WhatsApp where I keep on writing all these translations of Tamil, of Malayalam, of Kannada. Okay? Okay. So, ma'am, what is the function of leucoplasts? Beta, leucoplasts are very important cell organelles, okay? They are used in synthesis and storage of like starch and lipids and proteins, okay? That's the main stuff about, that's the main function of leucoplast, main role of leucoplast. Wow, ma'am, that's a good idea. What's a good idea? Bro, it's fine. Okay, let's move on to the next question. On your screens, everybody, which organelle is called array, bro? This is very easy. Powerhouse of the cell. Come on, this is very easy. Chloroplast, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. Poll, beta, poll. We are working on it. Okay, we are working on it. Don't worry. Until then, please reply in the chat section. Golgi apparatus, beta. These are like sac-like structures. So they are called. They store things in them and they help in then transport of those synthesis of proteins. The protein ribosome gives, right? It stores in Golgi apparatus and then transported from there. Okay, Manvi, Tanu, Shreyash, just Zeth. Okay, everybody is saying C. Okay, this is easy answer. We will not even want drum rolls for this. Okay, I will let you have the drum rolls. Oh, I know. It's C. Great, everybody. Very good. Clapping. C. Amit Kumar. Hello, Amit Kumar. Okay, let's move on to the next question. We have beta on your screens. Prokaryotic cells differ from eukaryotic cells because they lack what? Cell membrane, ribosome, cytoplasm, membrane bound nucleus. Oh, Priya remembered drum rolls. That's very good thing, Priya. I admire you. Okay, now let me know the answer to this particular question. Come on. Shout out, Shreyansh. Can't see video? Arey, everybody can see video, mein jaan. Come on, beta. Okay, we have all the answers as D. Okay, everybody of you is saying D. That is good. Shahan, Tanya, Tanu, Jaswant, Amit Kumar, Priya, D. Okay, great. Now we need drum rolls. What can I do? I told you. Ma'am, it's D. Okay, Shahan, let's see if it is D or not. Drum rolls, beta, drum rolls. All of you have to send me the emoji of drum rolls so that we can have the final answer. Drum rolls before the final reveal of the answer. Final reveal of the answer and the drum rolls. Yeah, we have drum rolls and the answer on your screen. Everybody is... It is membrane bound nucleus. Very good. That's the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay, so prokaryotic does not have a membrane bound nucleus. Inside the nucleus we have DNA. In eukaryotic cell, then DNA is specified, localized, so inside the nucleus. In prokaryotic, DNA is already there, but there is no nucleus. So in the prokaryotic cell, DNA is just like here. It is just kept here. And what is this place called? What is the place in prokaryotic cell called where the nucleus resides? What is that called? Oh, it is slow for me. Okay. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It stores your information, your genetics, your eye color, your thumb shape, all that. What about third chapter? Very soon we will do the third chapter. Don't worry. We are moving ahead with the third chapter as well. Tissues in Action is done, beta. Tissues in Action is, the one shot is already uploaded. Go watch that. But right now, after this, we will be moving on to the second chapter, third chapter, okay? Yes, Jagdish is back. Okay, next question on your screen, everybody. Which pair of cell organelles contain their own DNA? Which pair of cell organelles contain their own DNA? Chloroplast and ribosome, mitochondria and nucleus, Golgi bodies and ribosomes, nucleus and lysosomes. Come on. When you will, okay, so many comments I can read. Why can you not use an electron microscope? Arey bro, it went up. Okay, let me, arey bhagwan. Okay, B, okay, B is the answer. Everything is there. Forces, effects on motion, cell, tissue in action, exploring mixtures and their separation. And what was the next? Journey inside the atom, atomic foundations of matter. Everything is uploaded. Just go and watch. You will get PDFs as well in the description of all these videos, okay? Okay, the main answers we have are B and D. Someone is also saying D. A. Someone is also saying A. Come on. Okay. Tanya, can you please write it again? There were so many comments, it got missed. Okay, why can we not use an electron microscope? I still can't read it. Let me read it in my phone. Wait a minute. Why can't we use electron microscope? What was it? Okay, why can't we use an electron microscope to study living cells? And why must we always start focusing a compound light microscope using the lowest power objective lens? Can you write it down? Hey Bhagwan, where did you study this? Huh? A, B, A. It's not A, bro. It's B. Okay, B, B, B. All of you are saying B. Okay, let's see the answer, then I'll come back to you. Okay, coffee break. So, beta, what's the exact answer? The exact answer, okay, hey, wait. You guys are tricking me. Yes, Tanya remembers the drum rolls. Drum rolls should be there. Drum rolls, beta, drum rolls. Drum rolls, drum rolls. Drum rolls, better drum rolls. Yes, and the final answer on your screen, everybody is, it is B. Mitochondria has its own DNA. Nucleus has its own DNA. Okay? Done. Yo. Mitochondria and chloroplast have their chloroplast. Why is it written chloroplast? It's nucleus. Okay. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. The nucleus contains chromosomal DNA. Among the given options, B is correct. Mitochondria and nucleus are the correct options. Okay. I won't say your name. Can you please comment again? I swear I can't even find in my phone. It's so up. Okay, coming back to the microscope. So beta, see, electron microscopes, you know how big electron microscope is. When I was doing my masters, we studied the complete function of electron microscope. Okay, my masters in physics. Okay, so we saw an electron microscope. It was like so big, it reached till the roof, and there were like 4 or 5 people just to operate it. And what were we seeing from that a room big of microscope? Literally, it was so big. You search electron microscope on your Google and everything, you'll see how big this is. So you'll search and we'll literally see single atoms. We do not use electron microscopes because the electrons, what happens in electron microscope? We eject out electrons. We throw electrons onto the sample. They bounce back and then we get a pattern. Okay, but when we introduce on the cells, when we put electrons, right, they disturb the cells. They will damage the sample of the cells. That's why we don't use electron microscope. Grade 9th, beta, everything is coming every day. Okay, everything is coming every day. 9th, 10th, math, science, SST and English. Okay, so just subscribe to the channel and do one more thing. Keep a track of community posts. Ring that bell. Keep a track of community posts. Okay, so in community post every day we put a tracker, we put a timetable that what are the videos you will be getting. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and that's there. One more thing, there will be a link in the description. Go join that WhatsApp channel as well. So in WhatsApp channel also you will get with the link the notification of the lives. Okay, yes, talking about the batch, beta, there is a very important batch you will get here. Let me just open it. Let me just open this particular thing. See here, you guys are class 10th, right? We have a very important batch of class 9th as well. Let me see, where is it? Can I open it? Okay, so there will be a link in the description for the batches. There will be a link in the description. Go click that link and you will be guided. Now that batch is both for class 10th as well as class 9th. Okay, for you the batch is also there. Now what you will be getting? Live classes, of course, weekly assignments. You will be getting weekly assignments plus 40 plus part test and full length test with quizzes, with assignments, with tests, and unlimited access to post class replays, obviously. But a very important, AI powered classrooms. What do we do? Beta, you know, I have personally trained this AI, okay, so that it acts like me. Okay, so you can just go and ask while my video is running. You will just ask, what is this ma'am saying, what is Aditi ma'am saying about this osmosis? So you will get a proper answer of osmosis at that exact moment. You won't have to wait to ask doubts, or sometimes we are hesitant to ask doubts. Just go type your doubt and you will get the answer. Okay, how much? It's beta literally zero. It is zero. Okay, zero. You won't have to pay anything. You just have to go click on this buy now and you will get a pop-up like this. Just fill up your number and you will get the OTP, get sign in and all the small formalities. What is happening? Okay, and that's how you will get, that's how you will get this particular batch. Okay, it is lagging a little bit. Yes, so what will you get after? You will get study material PDF. Okay, then we'll get handwritten notes and recordings of previous classes. Why is this lagging? Okay, just give it some time. Okay, just give it some time. Yes, so beta, after this there is a next batch coming very soon, so go join it. There is literally no fees. This is for class 9th as well. Okay, I can't just find the link, but in the description you have the link, so go click on that link and just enroll in this course. You are getting so much. This is so much, and this is completely free. Yes, this is CBSE. It is completely free, and all other boards as well. Almost the syllabus is same, so just go enroll it. You don't have to pay anything, so just go and enroll in the batch. You will get all of this. Yes, it's free, completely free. Okay, now coming back to the questions, let's see the next question. What you will be getting on your screens, everybody? What's the next question? What would happen if all the mitochondria are removed from a eukaryotic cell? What is that question? Let me know the answer. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, Priya, Shahan and Manvi, Uttami, Manvi, Sravan. Oh, everybody is saying B. Okay. All of you are saying B. Nice. So B is, the cell will not get energy and die. Nice, great. Now tell me one thing. Where are the drum rolls? Where are the drum rolls? Tell me one thing. Where are the drum rolls? Do I have to ask you every time, where are the drum rolls? Where are the drum rolls? Come on, guys. You have to send me drum rolls. Come on, guys. You have to send me drum rolls. Yes, and we have drum rolls, of course. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And we finally have drum rolls, and the answer, you guys predicted is the cell would not get energy and die. What is the final answer? And the answer is B exactly. The cell mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Right, so if mitochondria is not there, how will the cell will get power? The power that it gets in the form of ATP, right? So the final answer is mitochondria. Yes, adenosine triphosphate. Great. Joseph and Manvi. Good. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Anybody has any doubt? let's move on to the next question. We have beta on your screen. The cell wall of a plant cell is primarily made of what? Proteins, lipids, cellulose or starch. The cell wall of the plant is primarily made up of what? Protein, lipids, cellulose and starch. Okay, no ma'am, great Amit. C, Priya is saying C, Shahan is also saying C. Okay, Joseph is also saying C. Priya, Joseph, Uttami. Okay, let me see. Oh, you guys are just repeating your answers, huh? Cellulose made of glucose. Okay, great. Now, you know what do you have to do? What do you have to do to get the answer? What do you have to do to get the answer? Amit is also saying C. Eda, what are you talking about in Tamil, huh? Okay, yes, very good. Priya knows the assignment. Okay, very good. The answer on your screens, everybody, is cellulose. The plant cell wall is primarily made up of glucose. Oh, cellulose. Why am I saying glucose? Okay, the plant cell wall, beta, it's primarily, that means the main component is cellulose, a type of carbohydrate formed by many glucose units. That's why I was saying glucose. And they are linked together. So many glucose units are linked together, they form a cellulose, and that is what exactly the plant cell wall is made up of. Great. Okay, all of you who are here, go and quickly like the session and subscribe to the channel and let me know so that we can move on to the next question. Come on guys, come on, like the session, subscribe to the channel and let me know that ma'am it is subscribed, it is liked, and then we will move forward with our session. Yes, class 10th, beta, we had the class on Wednesday, right? We'll have the class next week for class 10th. Don't worry. Okay. Also, I was wanting to tell you all one thing. I was thinking that it's Saturday, maybe not too many people will show up, but you guys are here and you guys are studying and there is no exam tomorrow or on Monday. I so genuinely want to tell you that you are really good and I'm so proud of all of you that you guys are here on a Saturday evening and giving the time for your studies. Okay, also beta, I have a question for you. Whom of you want to go into JEE or NEET after class 9th, class 10th? Just a question, no pressure, no hurry. Just want to know, are any of you planning to go into NEET or JEE? Because we are getting a very important, yes, Manvi, correct. Oh, love you. Tomorrow is our Titan series. I just wanted to tell you guys, if you don't know, that we are doing a bridge course. That means NEET ma'am. Oh, great. Very good. Shahan is saying NEET. Priya is also saying. Okay, great. NEET, great, very good. So for that, tomorrow will be a class of math as well as physics because they go hand in hand, we know, right? So we started with math and physics and we'll slowly start other chapters, other subjects as well. Okay, so make sure you subscribe this channel because the bridge course is very important. You will know small things which are in class 11th. So you have a time, if you know you want to do NEET, you want to go into JEE NEET, then beta, you should basically start taking little steps right now. Okay, we are not going to do JEE advanced questions, NEET questions, JEE mains questions, but some of the NEET JEE mains questions are so simple that even you can do it in your class 9th with your class 9th syllabus as well. Okay, so make sure to check out the Titan series tomorrow. Once lecture is already uploaded, just go through it, understand a little bit and let me know if you can understand it or you need something else as well. Okay, Very good, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next question on your screen, everybody. Which type of cell division produces gametes? You can call it anything, gametes, with half the number of chromosomes. Which of the cell division produced gametes with half the number of chromosomes? Mitosis, meiosis, binary fission, or budding? Thank you, thank you. Okay, welcome, welcome. B. A. Priya is saying A. Manvi is also saying A. Shahan is saying B. Okay, so we have competition between A and... Wow! We studied mitosis and meiosis and we have competition between mitosis and meiosis. Joseph and Shahan are in one team. Manvi and... Who was there? Priya are in one team. Okay. Okay, you guys are really going against each other. Oh, Uttami is saying B. So we have a heavier side B, guys. See, we have a heavier side of B. Navneet is also saying B. So we have the B side is getting heavier, guys. Okay, drum rolls. Drum rolls, everybody, drum rolls. Drum rolls, everybody, drum rolls. So that we can get the final answer. Okay, the final answer on your screen, everybody, if it is A or B. Okay, Manvi is still stuck with A. I can see, maybe this is true. Okay, if it's not, we'll just learn. Don't worry about it, okay? Okay, the final answer on your screen, everybody, is... Dun, 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 and we have the drum rolls. Very good. Final answer is, it is B, everybody. That is meiosis. In meiosis, the parent cell divides twice to form 4 daughter cells. So this is parent cell. So 4 daughter cells will be formed, beta. 4 daughter cells will be formed. If it has 46 chromosomes, this will have 23, 23, 23 and 23. Each with half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Okay? It's fine, don't worry. B, it is meiosis. Done? Okay. Obviously. What is mean by illuminated side? Senthil, what are you asking? You come in the live session and you're asking illuminated side. What is the reference of this? I don't understand. Sorry. Okay, let's move on to the next question, and this is the second last question of your today's live, everybody. Second last question, and I will have 1 or 2 PYQs for you as well. Not merely PYQs, but most repeated. Class 9 don't have PYQs, right? So let's see. The second last question on your screen. The phenomena that inhibits uncontrolled cell division in normal animal cells is called what? Osmosis, contact inhibition, plasmolysis, or diffusion. Shiny side? No. Come in plants. Illuminated side. I have not heard about it. Let me just search it. Illuminated side in plants. In plants? Okay, it is... Where did you study it? So basically what they're saying is, it's like the most activation occurs from the lit side. So basically when photosynthesis is happening, the plant is using the light. So the side which is getting the most light is called the illuminated side. Okay, B. Yes, Lakshmi. The class 10th will be there next week, okay? Next week I'll come with the class 10th chapter as well. Meanwhile, all the one-shots are uploaded. All the live sessions are there in which I did so many of these questions in class 10th. So go watch that, the PDF. You'll also get the PDF, okay? Okay, so the final answer on your screen, everybody, is exactly B. This is a new topic we have and that is contact inhibition. In many cells, cell division stops when cell comes in contact with neighboring cells. Cancer cells lose this control. They keep on controlling, they keep on dividing and dividing and dividing, and then we will have uncontrollable division of cells. And okay, Senthil, in control and coordination, yes, you have to mention that, right? This is a 9th class live. You are coming in 10th class topic with the second chapter. Huh? No, Navneet, I am from Punjab. Yes, I thought you guys must have forgotten. I was wanting to see if you guys still remember it. Oh, that's really cute. That makes my day. Shahan. Okay, I will not forget drum rolls from now. Okay? Yes. I will not forget the drum rolls from now. Okay? Okay, great. Let's move on to the next question, and on your screens everybody is, which pair incorrectly matches the cell organelle with its function? Yes, cancer cell formed. Correct. Ribosomes do protein synthesis. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, does lipid and cellulose synthesis. Lysosome does digestion of foreign agents. Golgi apparatus is energy production. Which one is wrong? Which one of these is wrong, beta? Come on. Which one of these is wrong? Ribosome, SER, lysosome, Golgi apparatus. B. D. Jamuna is it? Okay, B. Navneet is saying D. Joseph is saying D. It is in NCERT. Shahan is saying it is in NCERT. D. D. Oh, we have so many D answers. Okay, D. B. Okay. Lots of people saying D. Great. Actually, it is what? We are saying D. Golgi apparatus, energy production. Energy production is done by mitochondria, ma'am. Then what is the function of a Golgi apparatus? Okay, D is the final answer. That is true. But I am asking, what is the exact function of Golgi apparatus then? Sorry, beta. Really sorry. Packaging, exactly. Joseph, it's like the packaging and transportation master of the cell. Correct. Very good. Great. Not cleaning, packaging and transportation. And sometimes the storing of the food that is about to be get transported. Okay. Yes. Packaging and modification of lipid and protein. Great. So the exact answer will be Golgi apparatus, energy production. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, packages the proteins and lipids. It does not produce energy. Energy production is done by mitochondria. Done? Great. Now another question, and this is the last question of today's session. On your screen everybody is which of the following is not a part of the cell theory? Which of the following is not a part of the cell theory? All living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the basic unit of life. All cells contain a nucleus. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Which of these is wrong, is not correct? And this is the last question for today, but I have so many questions for you in this particular PPT, right? And this you will get in the description, in the PDF link, you will get this PDF. Okay? Okay, C. All cells contain a nucleus. That is true. Prokaryotic cells does not contain nucleus. That is correct. Very good. Now, beta, that is it for today's life. C is the correct option. That is it for today's life. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you will get this PDF, and I have so many more questions along with their answers as well. Okay, so just go through them. We did everything, but just go through them. It's a different structure they are being presented in. Okay, that's it for this particular live session. I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Yes, or I still forgot. Drum rolls. So sorry, Shahan. I'm having a really bad throat. I forgot the drum rolls. Next live, Manvita, will be in the next week. Until then, revise, complete your backlogs, ask doubts from your friends, teachers, from me. Okay, ask doubts in the comment section and I will answer you honestly. Okay. Okay, everybody. Bye.